The Schlage Sense Smart Lock is a deadbolt that you can install and connects to your phone and Wi-Fi network to provide a secure barrier to your home. So how easy is it to install? On the website, Schlage claims that this is a one screwdriver installation and it should be really simple. I found that to be pretty true. One screwdriver, a few screws here and there, and I was in and out in about 30 minutes. If you've never installed something like this before, I would recommend checking out their YouTube page. They've got some really great tutorials that can walk you through it, but if you've ever installed a deadbolt before, it's really straightforward and you won't have any trouble at all. So how secure could it be? Well, Schlage has been in the lock business for over 95 years. This particular lock has most of your standard ratings, which it's grade 1 commercial, AAA residential, like it's a secure lock in and of itself. If you're worried about security, one thing that this lock will provide you over a traditional deadbolt is that it does have alarm technology. So if someone tries to brute force kick in your door, you'll get an alarm that will go off for about 3 minutes, really loud screeching alarm, which is going to deter most people. Once they hear it, they're going to run away. Some of the other things that make this lock particularly smart is one of my favorite features, which is that it'll automatically lock. I can leave the house and not worry about, oh, did I lock the door? Because after a minute, which is what I have mine set to, it's just gonna lock itself. Another smart feature that this lock has is a keypad, which you can use the app to add and remove codes from. This is really great. Everyone in my house has their own independent code. So my wife has a code, the kids have a code, I have a code. And if we were to go, say, on Florida to vacation, I can set up a code specifically for someone to come check on the cats and give them a code for a week and then go back and remove it, and they'll no longer would have access to my house. That's a really great feature. So all in all, this lock is pretty great. It hits all the boxes. Easy to install, pretty secure, and ultimately pretty smart. I've definitely enjoyed having it. It's really nice and convenient, and it gives us an extra peace of mind at night knowing that our door is locked and that if someone were to try to get in, we've got a little bit more protection than we had before. If you tried this lock out before, hit me up in the comments and let me know how you liked it. If you like this video and you'd like to see more like it, don't forget to subscribe on the channel. Like this particular video, leave me a comment. I'd love to get your feedback. Thanks for watching.